Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional. It's not an additional. It's the puzzle page. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, April the 17th, 2023. No, it's the weekend edition. The Saturday, April the 15th, 2023. Yeah, I've already solved one puzzle, the 1 star puzzle. Well, it's not 3 stars, but the 1 star. And in this puzzle page, we have one puzzle left, and also an additional. I will solve the other 3 puzzles in additional, but this binary puzzle will be number 6289. 9. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has also 26 printed digits. A lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 And now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Do we have double ones? No. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And a no between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then. Let me think. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. Still, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Now we have 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, double check. Finish in 6 minutes. 6:30. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And without comparing. Yes, without comparing. Well, I've enjoyed this binary puzzle. We solve it again, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.